Right guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the multi-point connection on these bad boys, the Soundcore Life Q10s. Anyway, let's get started. I can't show you that it's connected on my phone, so you'll have to trust me on that, but I'm wanting to connect it to my Huawei tablet. So what you do is you turn it on. This is assuming that you've already connected it. The blue flashing lights means it's in pairing mode. That should go off once it's connected to my phone now. So what you want to do is get the tablet or whatever device you're wanting to use it on. Go in the Bluetooth settings and you go back to this. There's a volume up and down button. You press both up and down for 3 seconds and the blue light should flash, just like so. Now if we go over to the tablet, yep, the Bluetooth pairing request comes on. I just allow sometimes. It doesn't really matter if you allow it or not. But anyway, now that is in dual connectivity mode, so you can alternate between using it on your phone, which you can't see. I've got it in my hand because I'm recording it. I'm using it to record this video. Now you can use your phone and your tablet without having to disconnect one to use the other. So that's just easy. It's easier for you, it's more convenient. I couldn't find the words, but anyway, that's how you use the multi-point connection in the Soundcore Life Q10s. Yep. Thanks guys.